Sophia grew up in a neighborhood where life was a constant balance between hope and hardship. Her parents did their best, but financial struggles and long work hours meant that emotional guidance was often scarce. As a child, Sophia learned to adapt quickly, to be self-reliant, and to hide her vulnerabilities. Yet beneath her composed exterior, she carried an unspoken longing for connection, understanding, and security. During her teenage years, the pressures of school, family expectations, and social dynamics became overwhelming. Anxiety and self-doubt were constant companions. In search of relief, Sophia experimented with alcohol at parties, drawn to the temporary sense of confidence and euphoria it offered. Soon she moved on to prescription drugs, and eventually more dangerous substances. Each escape offered a brief reprieve from the inner turmoil but chained her to a cycle of dependency that seemed impossible to break. High school became increasingly difficult. Sophia's grades fell, friendships fractured, and she isolated herself from those who tried to help. Feelings of guilt, shame, and fear compounded daily. Despite the darkness, a small spark of hope persisted deep within her. A desire to survive, to reclaim her life, and to experience a future she had long imagined but never truly believed was possible. The turning point came one cold winter night. After binging on substances, Sophia found herself alone on the streets, shivering and terrified. The fear of death, of never seeing another day, was overwhelming. For the first time, she acknowledged the urgency of change. Sophia realized that she could not continue down this path. She needed help, guidance, and a roadmap to recovery. Entering rehabilitation was a profound challenge. Physical withdrawal brought trembling, nausea, headaches, and restless nights. Emotional withdrawal was even more intense, with waves of sadness, anger, and regret crashing relentlessly. Each day was a test of endurance. Yet in those moments of struggle, Sophia discovered fragments of hope, brief moments of clarity, encouragement from counselors, and the solidarity of fellow patients who understood her journey intimately. Therapy sessions became a lifeline. Sophia explored the roots of her addiction, childhood neglect, unresolved emotional trauma, and coping mechanisms that had become maladaptive. She learned to recognize triggers, manage cravings, and develop healthier strategies for dealing with stress, anxiety, and self-doubt. Slowly, she began to reclaim her sense of self, her agency, and her dignity. Support groups offered connection, empathy, and accountability. Sharing her story, hearing others, and witnessing shared struggles created a sense of belonging Sophia had never experienced. She began to internalize that recovery was a journey, not a destination. Setbacks were opportunities to learn and grow, not proof of failure. Daily routines became essential anchors. Sophia began mornings with meditation, journaling, and mindfulness exercises. Physical activity released tension and reinforced her confidence. Creative therapy and group sessions allowed her to express emotions that words alone could not convey. Each small victory, whether attending a meeting or resisting temptation, built her resilience and renewed her commitment to a sober life. Rebuilding relationships with her family was gradual and delicate. Her parents, initially skeptical and uncertain, attended counseling sessions with her. They learned new ways to communicate, to support without enabling, and to celebrate progress rather than dwell on past mistakes. Over time, trust and connection flourished, providing Sophia with the emotional foundation she needed to continue rebuilding her life. Returning to society sober presented new challenges. Old friends, familiar environments, and triggers tested her resolve. Sophia practiced assertiveness, established boundaries, and sought relationships that supported her recovery. She pursued meaningful activities, volunteering, mentoring, and creative projects that reinforced her new identity and purpose. Employment played a crucial role in her stability. Sophia found a position at a non-profit organization helping others struggling with addiction and trauma. Her lived experience allowed her to empathize, guide effectively, and inspire hope. Witnessing the transformation of others reinforced her own recovery and demonstrated that her past did not dictate her future. Temptations and doubts remained, but Sophia had developed a robust toolkit. She relied on mentors, support groups, creative outlets, and reflective practices to navigate challenging moments. Each obstacle she overcame strengthened her resilience, self-belief, and determination to remain on the path of recovery. Sophia's journey expanded into advocacy and mentorship. She spoke at schools, rehabilitation centers, and community events, sharing her story with honesty, vulnerability, and insight. Her message emphasized that addiction is not a moral failing, but a health challenge, and that recovery is a process of courage, persistence, and support. Her authenticity inspired countless individuals to seek help and embrace the journey toward reclaiming their lives. As the years passed, Sophia flourished both personally and professionally. She continued to build strong relationships based on trust, respect, and shared values. She pursued further education, deepened her expertise in counseling and mental health, and engaged in creative pursuits that nourished her mind, body, and soul. Mentoring and public speaking became sources of fulfillment and joy, reinforcing the purpose she had rediscovered. Reflecting on her past, Sophia often thinks about the girl who felt lost, overwhelmed, and desperate. She does not dwell on shame but recognizes the strength, empathy, and wisdom cultivated through adversity. Every challenge she faced prepared her to live a life of impact, to guide others, and to inspire meaningful change. Sophia's story illustrates the incredible capacity for human resilience. Addiction may disrupt life, relationships, and aspirations, but it does not define a person. With courage, support, and consistent effort, recovery is possible, and life can be rebuilt into something purposeful, fulfilling, and inspiring. Today, Sophia continues to mentor, advocate, and share her story. She emphasizes the importance of seeking help, practicing self-compassion, and persevering through difficulties. She reminds those struggling that setbacks are natural and that every day presents an opportunity to strengthen resilience, reclaim agency, and create a life of meaning. Her life proves that even the darkest struggles can lead to profound growth. Sophia's journey stands as a beacon for anyone facing addiction or personal crises, demonstrating that with determination, courage, and support, it is possible to rise above adversity, rebuild life, and inspire others along the way.